Hey everyone, if your screen has a weird pink tint, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Check color filters. Search for settings and open it. Click accessibility on the left. Scroll down and select color filters. Make sure color filters are turned off. Step 2. Update or roll back graphics drivers. Search for device manager and open it. Expand display adapters and find your graphics card. Right-click. Go to Properties, then the Driver tab. If possible, click Rollback Driver. If not, click Update Driver. Now click on Search automatically for drivers. Step 3. Check for Windows updates. Search for Check for Updates and open it. Click Check for Updates and install any available updates. Step 4. Adjust display settings. Search for Display Settings and open it. Scroll down and set Scale and Display Resolution to Recommended. Make sure display orientation is correct. Finally, restart your computer, and your pink screen issue should be fixed. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes.